A lot of you guys love trading, but due to lack of experience or time, you miss out some of the biggest opportunities. But today, we're going to talk about Galileo FX, which is an exciting tool that can make trading a lot easier for you. So Galileo FX is a trading bot which automates buying and selling in financial markets like crypto, forex, and stocks. So in short, it is a trading bot where it connects to a popular platform like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, so you can customize its settings and let it handle your trades. So that means you don't need any special skills to use it, and therefore it's perfect for beginners and professionals. So this bot can be a game changer for beginners because trading can be intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. Galileo FX takes away the complexity by automatically analyzing the market and placing trades based on a preset plan, offering a demo mode where you can practice trading with virtual money before risking real cash. Providing over 130 pre-configured strategies for forex, crypto, and metals, so you don't have to worry about figuring out complex setups. So, how does it work? So it uses advanced algorithms to spot trading opportunities, analyze market trends, and execute trades based on your settings. You can customize features like stop loss to limit your risks, take profit to secure your gains, and max orders to control the number of trades. Once set up, it works 24/7, monitoring the market and executing trades for you, even while you sleep. Let me quickly highlight why beginners should definitely try it out. They have automated trading, so you don't require any coding or deep technical knowledge. They have a demo mode where you can practice without financial risk. They also have pre-configured strategies, which is a ready-to-use setups for different markets. They also have a step-by-step support, from installation guides to live support sessions. They got risk management tools like simple settings like stop loss and lot size to keep you under risk control. Community access, where you can join over 2,000 traders to share tips and learn and grow. And the best part is there is no minimum investment required. Start small and scale up as you grow confident. As you can see here, they have set a new record of 1,312% profit. You can see their growth chart from past year to current date. They claim to have 96.46% accuracy, which is tested and verified on this performance page. And unlike other bots where safety is an issue, here your funds are 100% secure. If you're ready to simplify your trading journey, give it a try. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your trading, this tool has something for everyone. Now, if you check the reviews, it has a 4.6 rating and it has a high demand, but by using my link in the pinned comment and by using my coupon code, you can grab a 20% discount on it. So go ahead and check it out. All links are mentioned in the pinned comment and description box.
Crypto spotter on the scene, stacking dollar bills, minting coins digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill, making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining rigs, hum the numbers on the rise, Bitcoin, Ethereum, watch the value materialize. Moonshot dreams, they ain't just fantasies in the skies. Portfolios, the rocket, aim for the skies. Crypto spotter, cash flows like a river, digital